In today's video, I'm going to show you Topping DX5 II review, nuclear specs meet reality check in 2026. The Topping DX5 II, released in 2025, 2026, really lives up to its nuclear specs reputation, on paper and mostly in real-world performance. But there are some reality checks you should know before calling it a miracle device. It's a desktop high-res DAC, headphone amplifier, preamp and Bluetooth hub, all wrapped into one unit that punches well above its $299 price, making it a standout in its class for value and features. At its core are two ES9039 Q2M DAC chips, one for each stereo channel, giving extremely low noise, high dynamic range, and detailed digital conversion that rivals much more expensive gear, while supporting PCM up to 32 bits, 768 kHz, and native DSD5 1.2 over USB. Balanced headphone outputs, a full-color display with Topping's Aurora UI, and broad codec support LDAC, aptX Adaptive, aptX HD, AAC make it flexible for wired and wireless use. Build quality and connectivity including XLR, RCA, and multiple headphone jacks are widely praised. Most reviewers highlight that in typical desktop listening setups, the DX5 II does deliver clean, dynamic, and engaging sound that can sound more expensive than its price suggests, especially with good headphones or active speakers. Its advanced parametric EQ and preamp mode add useful control for enthusiasts. That said, the nuclear specs don't always translate into identical subjective experience for every user. Some listeners report that the DAC doesn't sound dramatically different from other quality sources in blind comparisons, and that EQ or pairing choices often make more audible impact than raw specs alone, making it less of an obvious upgrade for everyone. In short, the Topping DX5 II largely delivers on its high-end specs in practice and represents excellent value for the money compared with much pricier gear. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.